Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit a cinematic video in a CapCut. So the thing that you have to do, open your CapCut and let's just create the new project. In this new project, let's choose which video that we want to edit to be cinematic. Let's save this video and just click add. And now we already have the project, and the first thing that I always do to make a cinematic video in a solo or single clip on this project is make the speed become slower. If you can see now, this is the normal speed, and I will let to change it become slower by go click in this speed. And now just go click this normal, and I will let to drag until like 0.5. And let's have a test first. I think I need to be more slower, so 0.3. Okay, it's quite good. And now if you're already adjusting the speed, go click this checklist button and then go back. And then for the next thing that I will like to do is just split this clip become several clips. So I will like to make it for each 3 seconds, and then after that I just need to go click split, and then I will like to drag this point into the specific part. Just randomly do that, and I will add more for 3 seconds, and then go click the splits button again, and then drag the point into the right side to cut several moments, and then just go click add 3 more seconds and split and delete the rest. And I already have this 3 seconds of video, and I will let you add the animation for each. So just click the clip, go click animation, and in this in part just find the fade in animations and adjusting the durations, and just now jump into the out part and found the fade out and adjusting this durations too. And then if you are done, now just go click this checklist button and just do the same for the rest of the clip. And this is the last clip, so just do the same, add the fade in and fade out on this one clip. And here now is the result. And that's the way how to edit your photo to be more cinematic. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.